This activity list is ELA week of May 7th, and it is due on Friday, May 11th. Required for 3 times each for 20 minutes, read to self, and practice your power goal. We're doing it 2 times this week. Check each box when you're finished. For work on writing, required for 15 minutes, we've been learning a lot about habitats. Circle one of these habitats: ocean, rainforest, or desert. Now, write a narrative Foursquare plan about spending the day in the habitat you circled above. Independent, reflect when you're finished. Required for 20 minutes, using your Foursquare plan, write a draft about spending the day in the habitat you chose. Remember to include an introduction, transition words, and a conclusion. Independent, reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes, when you are finished with your narrative writing, score yourself and edit your writing using the rubric in the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done. Required for 10 minutes, complete the Fix-It activity in the resource area. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. And optional this week for 10 minutes, trade your writing with a partner and score each other's informative writing draft using a colored pencil with the rubric. For reading comprehension this week, required for 20 minutes, read Ask Mrs. Green Thumb. Answer the questions in the resource area to go with the story. This is done independent or pair, reflect when you're done. Listen to reading is optional this week for 15 minutes. Listen to a story on Raz-Kids on your level. What is the title? Take the quiz, write down your score. Independent, reflect when you're done. For foundational skills this week, required for 20 minutes, we're doing verbs. Green and blue readers, we're doing identifying verbs. Red readers, identifying adverbs in the sentence. White readers, adverbs. Independent, reflect when you're done. Required for 5 minutes, scan the QR code to review the tricky word on your level. Required, reflect when you're done. You have a choice: read Tara Pays Up on Epic, or scan the QR code and listen to Tara Pays Up on Epic. Independent or pair, reflect when you're done. And then, required for 15 minutes, complete the questions for Tara Pays Up from the resource area. Independent, reflect when you're done.